Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable date mode on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device, and if you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. I'm simply gonna open up Bumble, and there you go, this is Bumble. Now let's try to disable date mode right now. What we want to do is simply go to Profile. The button's at the bottom left, right next to For You. I'm gonna click on this button right here, and then something like this will open up. This is the profile page. Now from here, let's go to Settings. At the top right, there's a gear-like icon. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to the settings page. Right here, there are lots of options as you can see, but right now we simply want to disable date mode. Do note that if we disable date mode, we lose all our conversations and chats in date at your own risk. I'm simply gonna toggle off this button right here. It's asking for my confirmation. I'm simply gonna click on turn off date. And guys, there you go. That's how you disable date mode in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.